Let's look at how to make soap at home, the melt and pour method. Let's look at the items that we need. First, you need your soap base. We need pigment. We need our essential oils. We also need a microwaveable bowl. We need our mold. So, the first thing you want to do is to chop your soap into fine pieces. The smaller the pieces, the better for you. So the essence, or the reason for chopping it into smaller bits, is so that they can melt evenly and even quicker. You want to put a cling film over your microwaveable bowl. Microwave for only 30 seconds at a time. It is time to add your soap safe colorant and also your fragrance. Watch out, it is not too hot before adding these two. So pour in and mix carefully, and it is time to pour them into your mold. So carefully fill your mold and tap after you're done to help release any trapped air or vapor. Allow to sit for 2 hours and your soap is ready. So let me know in the comments, on a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult was this? Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that already. Please leave me a comment. Please like this video if it was helpful, and kindly turn on your notifications so that you don't miss another fun and money-making video from us. See you next time. Bye.